Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisa Wakho. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Kunama-opinion amaningi about uCoach Nabi. Khona-ke osecommentile uMbatha, I don't know this guy. But-ke naye ucommentile laphana kusokhala Duma uthi i-Kaizer Chiefs bekumele yenze kangcono laphana ukuhandle i-situation kaCoach Nabi. Uthi uwe ubelieve ukuthi uCoach Nabi bedinga umuntu walokhali o-understanda i-team efana ne-Kaizer Chiefs or understanda nje i-team better overall, umuntu ozokwazi ukumsiza uCoach Nabi in terms of uku-understand i-team. Uthi-ke ziningi izinto vele sesizizwile around uCoach Nabi nanokuthi waluza i-dressing room ukuthi maybe namanye ama-player abangam-understand, but uthi ngeke a-confirm lokho because of akasiyo iphathi ye-Kaizer Chiefs and akazi ngempela ukuthi kwenzakalani laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but uthi ubelieve ukuthi uCoach Nabi bedinga i-support laphana around yena ukuthi yenze kahle kakhulu. But uyasho ukuthi kunzima, i-Kaizer Chiefs i-big brand, you find it difficult ukuthi uhlale laphana ethimini i-violate ama-results. But-ke uthi uyabelieve ukuthi i-support uCoach Nabi uyitholile, if i-support leyo nayishoyo uyitholile bekazokwazi ukwenza izinto zibe ngcono laphana. Coach Nabi number one uyitholile i-support laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, bafethu enkulu ukuthi bamlethele ama-player. Yes, yena angasho ukuthi akawatholanga ama-player lawa directly yena bekawafuna, but guess what, ku-Kaizer Chiefs uyitholile i-support. Angacomplaina ngezinye izinto, not nge-support in terms of ama-players, especially this season. Well, maybe i-trust between bona ne-Kaizer Chiefs beyingasekho, that is why bebazobheka ama-loopholes ukuthi bakwazi ukumxosha nje for a small convenient. So uCoach Nabi, there's no way ucoach umuntu bafethu ongam-understandi number one, or reactive number one. Angihlezi ngirefera noma ngibuyela kule moment kaBlom, ulwa noBlom laphana ebhentshini because of uBlom akafuni ukungena. Sabona ukuthi uBlom azange abe ne-game time. Number one, uma uyi-coach you have to win i-dressing room, ama-players aku-understand nakwazi ukukulwela. But uCoach Nabi, it seems like i-dressing room beyi-divided ngendaba yakhe, and I don't understand i-Kaizer Chiefs beyihlezi inaso le strategy bafethu iletha abantu aba-understand i-Kaizer Chiefs. Bheka ukuthi ama-legend we-Kaizer Chiefs angakanani bafethu abe ama-assistant coaches laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs maningi, but this time around abekho. Even nalaba baku-DDC team bekunama-rumors kuthiwa bazopromotwa next. Coach Nabi uze ne-technical team yakhe from u-goalkeeper coach to ama-assistant, first assistant ne-second assistant coach. So njengoba eze nabantu bakhona naloku omunye kuthiwa uye eMorocco uya kuphi, naye uze naye, so uze nabantu bakhe uCoach Nabi laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Bonke bayi-understand i-culture ye-Kaizer Chiefs. They are shell shocked uma babona i-response, I'm sure, yabantu on the ground. So izinto i-Kaizer Chiefs bekumele i-delay nazo ekuqaleni. Bamsayina kanje, into engizibuzayo ukuthi bakhuluma kanjani banoCoach Nabi, bakhuluma ne-agent lakhe or bakhuluma noCoach Nabi direct? Azange kwaba ne-interview kuCoach Nabi ne-Kaizer Chiefs bamuzwe kahle ukuthi okay, this one uzokwazi uku-communicate nama-player kahle and to pass i-message kuma-players nanokuthi am-understand. What is it about him? Because you gotta have something, i-draw kuwe enza ukuthi maybe i-team ikuthande, ibone ukuthi uzokwazi uku-change izinto. But if you can't even speak the language, udinga i-translator. Uyazama uCoach Nabi obvious uku-understand English, like ama-basic. In fact, it's not even ama-basic in terms of Coach Nabi. It's way off in terms of understanding the language. What about i-frustration yakhe la u-frustrated la ufuna ukuphasa i-message ku-player immediately ezosiza i-player in the next 2 seconds or 5 seconds? Kumele agijime ku-translator yakhe athi ithi kanje, ne-translator yakhe sekumele igijime uyabona nje i-operandi indaba yinde kufakwe kade. Into from the beginning i-Kaizer Chiefs management kumele basho ukuthi benza iphutha ngokuhayara uCoach Nabi. Yes, ukwazile ukushayisana ne-Nedbank Cup, Sven Fair, but I mean overall, I mean i-team they paid the price ngokuletha uCoach Nabi ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall. But I mean njengoba ngishilo uyilethile i-Nedbank Cup, so usothini bafowethu, uyilethile i-Nedbank Cup. Khona into make-defend ekhuluma asho ukuthi okay, I was able to bring this to the team. 10 years bangawini, but-ke mengifika mina as uCoach Nabi ngikwazile ukubalethela ama-results. Okay, asiphume kancane kuze Kaizer Chiefs bafowethu, ngifuna ukungena kuze Mamelodi Sundowns manje. Hayi, ezinye izinto ziyahlekisa la. Kuthiwa ba-advise ulona uBasadeni no-Adams ukuthi bayishiye iMamelodi Sundowns bahambe bayojoyina amanye ama-team ukuthi babe ne-chance ukuthi babe kuBafana Bafana laphana, especially for i-World Cup, cause umfowethu la uthi iBafana Bafana iyawadinga lama-players lawa awu-2, and i-situation ngeke i-change. Kusho baba uMr uBrown la i-statement sakhe usho nasi, ithi ngisibheke nasi i-statement sakhe, uthi ucabanga ukuthi uBasadeni no-Adams it's a no-brainer ukuthi vele baye kuma-loan move ku-next transfer window, i-next transfer window which is uJanuary by the way. but uma uthatha ukubheka i-game time under their belt obviously-ke ayikho that much. Uthi-ke bobawuthula abantu laba ababuya ku-Stellenbosch la bebadlala khona kakhulu, but-ke mebefika la kuMamelodi Sundowns i-game time yabo i-limited noma ngithi incane kakhulu i-game time yabo. So bheka bebama-key players laphana ku-Stellenbosch badlala kuBafana Bafana from i-Stellenbosch, but-ke at the same time uyasho ukuthi kunormal ukuthi ama-players afune ukumuva to let's say iMamelodi Sundowns or kuma-big teams nje overall because of nabo bayawafuna ama-big moves. But uyasho ukuthi why uma udlala ibhola ungabi nama-big aspirations ukuthi ufuna ukudlala for a big team or for anything that might be big for you, challenge, especially ama-big three ku-South African football overall. Sengiqhubeka nge-statement la kaSakabhuti ngoba sengiyaparaphrase-ke manje. But-ke uthi kumele sibheke at the same time ne-current situation laphana yama-player kuMamelodi Sundowns. Uthi bheka sine-AFCON or ngithi i-Africa Cup of Nations ezayo manje ngoDisemba, and then uthi next year sine-World Cup. Uthi lama-tournament lawa, I mean wonke umuntu uyafuna ukuba yi-part of i-AFCON nane-World Cup. So for the sake of amaphupho wabo nezinto lezi abazifunayo overall, uthi yena angasuggest ukuthi bathole ama-loan moves let's say ngoJanuary, ku-opinion yakho uthi both of them badinga ngempela bayidinga opportunity ukuthi obvious bathole ama-minutes ukuthi ba-represent iBafana Bafana. Yeah, sinama-opinion kakhulu nama-opinion ethu awasebenzi. There is no way iMamelodi Sundowns ihambise uBasadien ku-loan ngoJanuary baqeda ukumsayina manje. Bamsayine, it's reported ukuthi around 25 million rand. Ungasayina umuntu nga-25 million then uphinde umloan futhi after a couple of months ejoyinile. Phela uBasadien ngoJanuary uzobe na-6 months or so kuMamelodi Sundowns, but akayitholi that much i-game time. Iyiphi i-team ezothatha uBasadien im-afford ngaphandle if Mamelodi Sundowns ibhadala 100% of ama-salaries kaBasadien because of i-play expensive elidurayo? Iyiphi-ke i-team uBasadien angaya kuyo? There's no way ahambe nge-loan. No-Jayden Adams ufike this year ngoJanuary, I think if angenza iphutha kuMamelodi Sundowns, there's no way naye ahambe okwamanje. They will try and ukuthi bamgcine. And u-Adams before joining Mamelodi Sundowns or mid of joining Mamelodi Sundowns was already attracting interest from teams all over the world, ama-European teams, but iMamelodi Sundowns ba-active fast ukuthi bakwazi ukumthola umfana quick. Yeah, it's sad ukubona uBasadien engekho kuBafana Bafana. Adams, I don't feel i-void yakhe, angisiboni isikhala sakhe laphana kuBafana Bafana mina, ngisiboni nje at all bafethu. But-ke abanye abantu bayasibona ukuthi maybe bangakwazi ukusiza iBafana Bafana, but mina I beg to differ ukuthi no, iBafana Bafana they can deal or do without him. Yes, I mean kuma-qualifiers yazi ibhola libuhlungu ibhola bafethu. U-Adams uke wakora nokukora bafethu kuma-qualifiers, so be-heavily involved laphana kuBafana Bafana, but-ke since ama-minutes edropile laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns abasamselect umfana. Ibhola li-cruel alidlali, but it's part of the beautiful game. Angithi uma uyindoda ufuna ukuzichallenja uyodlala na one of the best players in the country, which is going to Mamelodi Sundowns, lama-players khona are-well equipped. Kunzima kakhulu ukudlalela iMamelodi Sundowns, kumele uzithembe at the same time uma ufuna ukuya kuMamelodi Sundowns, hhayi nje uye for isake okuya, no, iya uzithembe. But yeah, no loans wama-player. Kaizer Chiefs nendaba kaCoach Nabi, ngiyalizwa ipointi lakamfowethu methi Kaizer beyidinga umuntu understanda i-culture ye-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean nanokuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs i-represent-ani, umuntu local owazi everything about Kaizer Chiefs, hhayi ukuthi bathole abantu uCoach Nabi eze ne-technical team yakhe kuphela, yinto ebalimazile kakhulu. But nayi technical team kaNabi yiyo manje in-charge laphana ephethe uKaizer Chiefs, kaze bona bazodlala kanjani. Danko bafethu, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Pressa nje ukusubscribe button, making sure ukuthi le page liyakhula. Danko.